Assalamu alaikum brother. Now I am going to show you how to display your latest post in a beautiful slider using smart slider plugin. Slider plugin. Okay. So this is the WordPress dashboard. Okay. Now go to the top menu bar and the let's see here the smart slider menu. Then click the dashboard. Okay. This is the smart slider dashboard. Now click the EF slider to click select the click the edit button. Okay, this is the setting page. Okay, looks right side. Here is now here show the one post because of we have only added show the one slider in blog. Okay, so first of delete the old slider. Now select one and delete it. Okay. Then add new slider and show the all latest post as a slider. Okay, click the add slider and click the dynamic slider menu icon and choose the WordPress. Choose button, click choose button, and there is two option, post by filter and post by LP. I choose by filter and click the choose button. This is the add the dynamic slider page setting option. This is all is left is all the default setting. Okay, and then click the add button right corner. This is loading. Okay, successfully generated. Now click the top static cell, click this button. Look at this. Here is the 5 posts, the latest 5 posts added in as a slider. Now this everything is okay. Now go to website and reload this. Look this top 5 latest posts show as slider. Okay, look this, that's it. We can same way we can follow this step, and weekly or monthly we can update alone. Okay, thank you so much, that's it.